In this exercise, you'll be presented with a question.
If you were using one of these, what would you be making?
Try to say the answer. If you want to hear the question again, you can touch the written question or touch the blue question button. If you have difficulty answering the question, there are two types of help available. First, you can listen to a cue by touching the orange button.
This is for making a cup of.
Second, you can bring up a multiple choice picture selection by touching the space in the middle of the screen. Decide which picture answers the question and see if you can then name it. If you still can't say the answer, touch the picture that answers the question.
T.
If you said it correctly, touch the tick. This will give you a score at the end of the exercise, which will reflect the amount of help you needed to answer the question.